This is the fastball from Gerber. The fastball was born out of the market's demand for a slim, lightweight, manual finger flip pocket knife. Ball bearings and a precise detent allow the fastball to operate like a light switch without a spring. The fastball features an improved Wharncliffe blade shape. What that means for the user is enhanced durability and precision at the tip. CPM S30V stainless blade steel provides extreme edge retention and corrosion resistance. The fastball's handles are CNC machined from aluminum and finished in Type 3 hard anodize. Ambidextrous carry is provided by 3 pocket clip positions. A liner lock provides secure lockup in the open position and detents the blade closed safely in your pocket. It's available in 3 colors and 2 blade finishes. We designed the fastball to be smooth, consistent, and second nature in operation, and it's made right here in the USA.
Hi, my name is Michael Rodriguez. I live in Fayetteville, North Carolina. I designed the Xoloto. So the knife is very easily opened with a flipper and then closes equally as easy with a liner lock. The blade design is inspired by a commando dagger from World War II. The handle design is somewhat inspired by the name. One of the jobs that Xoloto did was to ferry souls to the afterlife. You know, so a lot of the symbology that you'll find, or some of the murals that exist down in Mexico, has Xoloto as a skeleton. If you were to really look at it, you have a set of ribs on the top, and the clip itself is the sternum, so bringing the ribs together. The shape of it, obviously in keeping the tradition, all the depictions are of death, it's a coffin-style handle.
The award-winning Para 3 Lightweight is rapidly redefining the state-of-the-art in ultralight cutting tools. For tactical end users who prefer subdued blade finishes, this revolutionary design is now also available with a stealthy black diamond-like carbon coating. Its plain edge or spider edge blade is full flat ground from CTS BD1N stainless steel and supported by a streamlined version of Spyderco's patented compression lock mechanism. To complement the blade's finish, the screws and reversible deep pocket carry clip on its injection molded fiberglass reinforced nylon handle also sport a non-reflective black coating.
The ZT-0460 Ti, a Dmitry Sinkovich design. It measures 7.5 inches in overall length and weighs 2.9 ounces. It operates on KVT ball bearings with a flipper tab. The handle is titanium with a stone-washed finish and a black anodized aluminum backspacer. The 3.25-inch blade is made from ultra-premium CPM 20CV steel. The pocket clip is single-position, tip-up carry. The blade is locked securely by a titanium frame lock with hardened steel lock bar insert. Slightly larger than its cousin, the 0450, the 0460 has a pronounced ergonomic curve to fit the hollow of your hand.
My name is Vance Culver. I'm a product line manager with Benchmade Knife Company. Today we're talking about the 427 Mini Velation. The Mini Velation features our Axis Assist mechanism, which gives the user quick deployment capability, the durability and reliability of the Axis lock. It has machined aircraft grade aluminum handles for strength, the same material we use on all of our military grade knives. It's supported by full length stainless steel liners and CPM S30V for the blade steel. It'll appeal to law enforcement. It has an integrated carbide glass breaker, deep carry clip, so let it drop deep in the pocket. This knife is a great EDC everyday carry product for anybody that needs a hard use pocket knife, able to take on any tasks that you could throw at it.
The Buck Knives 112 Slim Pro is an advanced, thin, everyday carry knife based on an American classic. This modern take on the 112 Ranger features upgraded materials and a sleek new look. The decreased weight and thickness make the Slim Pro perfect for everyday carry. The heavy bolster and frame of the classic 112 have been replaced with strong and lightweight material. Available in 3 colors, black G10 weighing in at only 2.8 ounces, or OD green and brown micarta weighing only 2.6 ounces. The 3-inch S30V stainless steel clip point blade has a satin finish and locks back for safety. Use the thumb stud for easy one-hand opening. The newly redesigned reversible and removable pocket clip allows for deep pocket carry. Made in Post Falls, Idaho, guaranteed forever, the Buck Knives 112 Slim Pro.